Hello, my name is Dr. Mandel, and today I'm going to show you how I make some really easy flax seed crackers. Basically what I'm using is golden flax. You can use the brown flax if you want, but my son decided to try out the golden flax. We went to, we get our grains and seeds and nuts in bulk a lot of times because it's a lot more economically, it's more affordable actually. So that's when I use golden flax. You can use brown flax, chia seeds. You can get these. What we get it at is the bulk section at Winco. You can also go to a health food store and get it there in bulk. Well, this is chia seeds. I'll take some out so you can see them. It's the same stuff that they have for the chia pet, you know, chia seeds. Chia seeds are used a lot of times when people are trying to lose weight. They'll put it in their smoothies because what it does is it expands, and then it gives you more of the feeling of fullness when you add it into your smoothies. And so I'm using golden flax, chia seeds, and also sesame seeds. So, and sesame seeds you can find just about anywhere. You can get them in bulk, and it'll be a lot cheaper for the crackers if you want to make a big batch. So basically, I've already mixed it all up. Show you right here. Oh shit! If I don't spill it, I mixed it all up already, and let's see. I'll show you the consistency of it. It's like almost like pancake batter. That same kind of consistency. And when you soak flax, what happens is you get this gelatinous type of substance from the water from the flax. And also you can use that gelatinous water if you just soak flax by itself for substitution of like eggs. If you want to be totally vegan with your baking, you can use that water, that gelatinous water, as a substitute for actual eggs. So I'll do a recipe about that pretty soon. So I'm not going to show you all this. What I did, I preheated the oven for 365 because I'm about to make a batch of it. And basically what I do is I just use a baking sheet. This one's so seasoned, and I put some oil down on there, and then pour the batter on top. I've got a little bit of olive oil, and you don't need a lot. You just want enough so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So you don't want greasy crackers. So you just spread it out on here on the pan, and then depending on how many crackers, how many crackers you want to make, you can make a small batch or a big batch. I use a cup of each type of seed. So you just pour it onto the sheet like that. See, I just lands on there. And what I do, if you want it to, you can mix in spices like salt, pepper, paprika, put chili powder in there to make it spicy. Or you can just salt it towards the end for just regular old seed saltine crackers. So what I'm doing right now is I'm spreading out the mixture onto the pan so it'll be somewhat even. And the more that you use on here, the thicker the cracker may be. If you spread it out really thin, then the cracker will be thinner if that's what you like. So just go according to what you prefer. Like I said, I'm going to put the salt on towards the end of the baking process because I don't want it to, I don't know, I just noticed that when I mix the salt in with the batter, towards the end, I don't taste the salt as much, like it's baked in and you can't really taste it. So I like to sprinkle the salt on towards the end of the process of making these crackers. It's a pretty easy thing to learn how to do. I looked the recipe up online. You can even do these crackers in a dehydrator. I haven't had very good luck with making these crackers in a dehydrator because I'll put down some parchment paper and it always sticks to the parchment paper. So maybe I need to put like a little bit of more oil within the batter of the seed mixture so it doesn't stick if I want to do a dehydrator method. And I've run out of parchment paper, so this works just fine. And so I put it at a reasonably low temperature. I put it on for 365, and now I'm going to put it into the oven, and I'm going to let it cook, bake, probably about a few hours actually. It takes a while because it's slow baking, but you want to keep checking in on it every hour. So yeah, let's put it into the oven. And I'll show you what they look like. I have some already made from yesterday. So this is what they look like when they're done. They're just little seed crackers. And what you can do is you can put, if you didn't season them with like paprika, hot, chili powder, and garlic and all that kind of stuff, if you just use salt, they could be used as regular like saltine crackers. You can put peanut butter on them. And that's what I did right after I got back from my walk. I had a really, really intense walk. So yeah, you could just put peanut butter on top of them and snack on them that way. And it's a nice treat, nice healthy treat, snack. Something that's better than eating like some greasy chips. I guess they're starting to vacuum out. I mean, to mow the lawn. Yeah, lawns are starting to be mowed out there. But anyway, yeah, you can totally like, you could put peanut butter and jam on them. So it's just a nice healthy cracker. Because I've noticed all the crackers in grocery stores, they'll have all kinds of freaking crap in it. You know, like colorings, artificial flavorings, soybean oil, hydrogenated oils, all this crap, and then a bunch of other shit I can't even pronounce. So if you can't pronounce it, then why would you put it in your mouth? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've gone through a lot of stuff, and even just within my cabinets that have crap in it, and just thrown it out because it's nothing but crap. It's not real. It'll say one thing, and then it has all these other ingredients in it that you have no idea what they are. So it's really empowering to make your own foods, so you know exactly what's going into them. And a lot of the foods we eat don't have simple ingredients in them. They have like a whole slew of ingredients just for a cracker. You know what I mean? This cracker, only thing it has in it is flaxseed, the golden flax seeds, which are these right here, golden flax seeds, the sesame seeds, the chia seeds, which I need to put in a jar. It's good to preserve your grains and things in a jar. And that's it. And then I'm going to end up putting some salt on it at the end. And that's as simple as it gets. And these kind of foods, they digest better in your stomach. And they don't weigh you down as much. I've eliminated wheat from my diet tremendously. And I've noticed a difference. I don't have as much of a bloated stomach. My stomach's a lot flatter. And these foods are processing through my system a lot easier. So I hope you enjoyed today's show. I'll take a little bite of it. It's very good. If you're into that kind of thing, like seed crackers, if you like seeds, if you're not wanting to have something so rustic tasting, you can blend the seeds up so the mixture is smooth and not crunchy. So it doesn't have to be crunchy. Oh, one other thing that I added in there that I didn't tell you about was flax meal. And that's what it looks like. Let me show you. It's called flax meal. And my son made it. Basically, all you do is you take flax seeds, put them in a grinder, and then you get flax meal. And it's like powdered up. So that's in there too. I recently read or watched a video from this guy named Life Regenerator. Check him out. He's really good. He offers up a lot of really helpful raw food recipes, raw fruits, nuts, and seeds like recipes that you can make at home. But he talked about flax seeds, and he said you may not want to buy a ground flax meal at grocery stores because it's probably going to be, it's rancid, because once you break open the seeds like that, grinding them like that, they can go bad really easily. So if you're going to grind some flax at home for some flax meal, make sure that, I thought I saw my cat out there, make sure that you try to use it as soon as possible or refrigerate it so it stays fresh. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's show on how to make flax crackers, and let me know if you try it at home yourself. And yeah, healthy eating, everyone. That's how people have asked me how I lost weight. That's how I lost weight. I stopped snacking mindlessly on things all the time. And when I did start snacking, I've been replacing my regular snacking things with healthy foods like this. I do still eat chips here and there, but I try to like not make that such a big part of what I eat in the day. So yeah, this is a healthy thing to eat. I'm almost like at the point where I want to eliminate chips from my diet completely. I do make my own chips. I just cut up like corn tortilla chips corn tortillas that I buy at the store, and then I cut them up and then fry them, and then you can make your own corn chips that way if you really want corn chips. But I'm eating stuff less and less of stuff like that, you know, trying to eat more snacks like this. So I hope you guys try this and you like it. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for the likes and shares. And thank you for your kind comments. Leave your comments down below and let me know, like I said, if you've tried this before. And also, if you'd like to support this channel, you can donate $1 or more to my PayPal at kdaddytmama@comcast.net and include a question you'd like to see answered on an upcoming show. You can even, you know, give a suggestion for something you'd like to see as far as cooking. I've been doing, for this channel, I'm doing vegan/vegetarian meals. I don't want to have anything to do with meat. The only meat I've been eating lately is fish here and there, and that's it. So yeah. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys take control of your health and try to find more things that can help with whatever conditions you're suffering with on a day-to-day basis, because it could be just as simple as eliminating something from your diet. Alrighty guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.